Hi friends, this is Atul Patrikar with Sai Patrikar. So today I will show you the dynamic part in SQL Server. So yesterday we have completed these user stories, like they need some static part and they required a report like this. Okay, so now today again we received one requirement. They need some dynamic part requirement. So you can see here they sent one email regarding this user activity report dynamic part requirement. So thank you for your effort on the above requirement. So we really appreciate the progress made so far. So we now need to the same user activity report to be enhanced with a dynamic part capability. So requirement update is like this: if an admin adds any new menu or new users from the front end, the newly added menu or user should automatically appear in the report. So this should happen without any modification to the SQL code. Okay, so they need dynamic pad, so avoid that extra work, okay, in SQL server. So the report should dynamically adapt to these changes and continue to display menu usages counts group by user. Please let us know if you need any additional details or clarification regarding this update. Thanks business. Okay, so in last video I shown you this using the table variable. Okay, so now in this time I am just trying to create a with temporary table. Okay, single hash temporary table. So for that we need to create a temporary table first. Okay, create, then table and table name. Okay, like this. I'm going to creating the all table because this variable table is not supported in the dynamic query. Okay, so that's the reason I'm just replacing with the temporary table. One more table we have, user history table. So create table tbl history. Now first thing I am executing this in the same session, so you can see we have executed this three tables successfully. Okay, now I am going to insert the data into this temporary tables. Okay, just I am replacing the @ sign to the hash sign. The tbl history. Okay, so now okay, so you can see in username 3 record inserted, tbl user 3 record inserted, menu table 3 record inserted, and in user history 6 records are inserted. Okay, now I'm comment out this section. Now I'm modifying this script. Okay, okay, so now I'm just trying to execute, so we'll get the same output. Okay, like the declare variable table output. So now here in this case the first thing is we need to fetch the all menus. Okay, for this I am declaring one local variable menu and the data type is envarchar 2000. Select @menu equal to, I am using the string aggregate function for this, menu name, and the separator is comma from hash tbl menu. Okay, hash tbl underscore menu. So we'll get all menus comma separated, like you can see home comma account comma transaction. Okay, so we also required the quote name. quote quote name quote name bracket bracket close here, so you can see you will get the port name also, you can see here. Okay. Menus, menu is equal to string egg function. Now I am converting this select statement into dynamic query. Declare @SQL var max equal to, and that single quote start here and end here. Okay, so now I'm just removing this and I'm adding these menus here, and we already updated this table name, temporary table. We already used this temporary table. Okay, so now here I'm just executing this dynamically created. Okay, so here we need this menus exec sp underscore execute SQL and our SQL variable. Okay, now you can see still we'll get the same output just like that static query. Here now I'm going to insert more users. Okay, I'm just copying this script. Okay, here I'm going to add some more users. Karthik Ingre, Dhanashri Ingre, and Shiva Moucher. Okay, so I have added these 3 new users in user table. Now I am also going to add new menus. Okay, so I'm just adding 2 more users, 2 more menus. Okay, so one is profile. I think profile is already there. Let me verify. Okay, we don't have a profile. Okay, so I'm just adding the profile, then account report and it's like menu name is settings menu. Okay, now I'm inserting this new 3 menus. Okay, 3 menus also added. Now I'm just trying to execute this. Okay, so you can see, so newly created menu is already included in this output. So profile, account report and setting. So is that mean we are achieve this section? Okay, the report should dynamically adapt to these changes and continue to display menu usages count group by user. So we achieve this part by using this dynamic query. So the next thing is, now I'm just adding a history in history table, so we can validate that count is, we are getting a count proper or not. Okay, so we have some new users added in the system. Okay, so for that we need a user ID. Okay, okay, so we have these 3 newly added user. Okay, so now okay, we'll adding a new user history details here. So Karthik user ID is 3. So Karthik access home menu, then he also access the settings menu. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so next one is Dhanashree. So Dhanashree only access the setting page. Okay, so the user ID is 4 and rest of the same, like menu ID is the same. And Shivam access the home menu. Okay, so now I am going to insert this all details. Okay, so now I am just comment out this section. Now I am executing these things. Now you can see Karthik Ingle access setting menu, Dhanashree access home menu, and I think we need to add Shivam's record as well. Okay, so Shivam user ID is 6. Okay, six, and the menu setting. Okay, 6. Okay, so now you can see the menu count automatically increase for Sai, for Swaraj, for Sharayu, for Karthik also. So Karthik access setting menu 2 times, Dhanashree access home menu 2 times, and Shivam access settings menu 1 time. So we can fulfill the all requirement, just we can validate with the emails. Okay, so you can see, so we have completed this all business requirement. Okay, so like this you can also use this dynamic Python query. So I will show you one more time this script. If you need this script, just comment me, so I can provide you this script as well. Okay, so we'll meet in next video. So thank you for watching this video.